Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Set up structured study sessions by dividing your online classwork into 25-minute focused blocks followed by 5-minute breaks. This Pomodoro rhythm reduces fatigue and trains concentration. Before each block, list 1 to 3 concrete objectives and estimate minutes needed for each task so you can track progress. Use a visible timer and prepare a quiet workspace with minimal distractions. Silence notifications, put your phone face down, and keep materials within arm's reach to protect each focused interval. Engage actively by taking handwritten notes and summarizing each 20-minute video segment in one clear sentence. Writing boosts retention more than typing. Pause recorded lectures every 10 to 15 minutes and teach the concept aloud for 60 to 90 seconds as if explaining to a peer. This retrieval practice cements understanding. After sessions, create quick flashcards with 3 to 5 key facts and self-test for 5 to 10 minutes daily to convert short-term recall into durable knowledge. Manage time and well-being by blocking study periods on your calendar and treating them like 50-minute appointments followed by 10-minute breaks. Consistency builds momentum. Prioritize sleep and aim for 7 to 9 hours nightly. Avoid late-night cramming the day before exams because memory consolidation happens during sleep. Mix high-focus tasks with light review and schedule movement breaks of 5 to 10 minutes each hour to reduce stiffness and refresh attention. Hydration and a short walk improve recall and mood.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.